Before jumping into the practice, I just want to remind you that the poses we will practice today are known to support lower back wellness and hip mobility. However, your body is unique to yourself and you know the limits of your body better than anyone else. So, whenever you feel any discomfort or strain, come out of the pose immediately and take a moment to relax. Be mindful, move with awareness, and practice within your comfort zone. So, whenever you are ready, we will start in child pose on our mat. Come to the back of your mat, hips over the heels, hands reaching forward, forehead on the ground. Push your hips and hands away from each other, lengthening your spine. Take deep breaths and feel the rise and fall of your back as you breathe in and breathe out. Now round forward and come to tabletop position. We're gonna do cat and cow. Inhale, sink your belly down, open up your chest. Exhale, round your back, tuck your tailbone in. Now extend your left leg and right hand. A straight line. Now bring them down and reach them up, engaging your core the whole time. Repeat this movement 5 times. Last one, lift them up and hold the pose. Engage your core. Now bring them down and repeat with the other side. Right leg extended and the left arm. Exhale, bring them down. Inhale, lift up. Repeat this 5 times. Last one, inhale, lift up, engage your core and hold. Bring the hand and leg down. Now separate your knees apart. Sink your hips down. Come to a frog pose. And shift your hips forward. Open up your chest. Exhale back to frog pose. And repeat this until the timer ends. This is a great drill to improve your mobility in the hips and lower back region. Now slide forward, make a diamond shape with your hips and legs, feet together, and open up your chest. Elbows on the ground. Feel the gentle release in your hips. Now slide your hips back, separate the feet. Thighs and the shins are perpendicular to each other, and also the thigh and the torso are perpendicular. Hold the frog pose. Now it's not necessary to bring your pelvis all the way down to the mat. We just want to feel the stretch in the inner thighs and opening in your outer glutes. Now slide forward, legs together at the back, and lift both of your legs together, hands to the side of your body. You can place them on the ground and hold the pose. It will strengthen your lower back, glutes, and entire lower body. Slowly bring the legs down, press up into Bhujangasana. Keep your elbows bent so that you won't press your lower back too much. Keep opening your chest with each of your inhalation. Tuck your toes under and lift your hips up into downward facing dog. Lift your left leg up, bend the knee and circle around. Make as big circle as you can. Do it 5 times. Once you're done, step the left foot to the front. Bring the left hand to the inside of the leg, elbows on the ground, or maybe palm on the ground. Push the left knee away from your body and feel the opening in your left glutes. Let go of the knee, lift up and bend the back knee. Hold the ankle with the left hand and bring it closer to your glutes so as to feel the stretch in your quads. Now let go of the ankle, step your left foot back to downward facing dog Lift your right leg up now, bend the knee and circle it around as big circle as you can. Repeat this 5 times. Once you're done, step the right foot forward. Place both of your hands on the inside of your right leg. And now push your knee away from your body. Feel the opening in your right glutes. Now let go of the knee and bend the back knee. Hold the foot with the right hand and bring it closer to your glutes to feel the extra stretch in your quads. Now release the leg and step your right foot back into downward facing dog and slowly bring both of your legs to the front and lie down on your back. Place the left ankle on the right knee. Interlock your fingers at the back of your right thigh. Bring the thigh closer to your chest so as to feel the opening in your left glutes. Stay in this position and bring both of your knees on the ground. This is a great stretch for your entire spine. Look towards the left side to add in this twist. Come back to the center, release the twist, place your right ankle on the left knee, interlock your fingers at the back of your left thigh, bring the thigh closer to your chest. Now let's go for the twist. Place both of your knees on the ground, staying in the same position and look towards the right side. Release the twist, come back to the center and hold the outside or inside of both of your feet. Try to bring the knee as close to the ground as you can, or you may rock side to side, bringing one of the knee to the ground at a time. And the final pose for today is Shavasana. Completely relax your body and enjoy this pose. You have made it to the end. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Till then, take care.